morning, I am SeanProd.TV. There's something exciting. First time I'm driving a V8. Look at that. It's going to be a good day. Well, hopefully, because I've been overhyped about this. Yeah. I'm not joking, it is my first time in an actual V8. And let's see how the day goes on. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I am SeanProd.TV and welcome to a new episode of V8. In this episode, we're going to be doing a mixture of POV driving whilst still maintaining the UK trucking live style videos. Also, I wanted to make a note that I'm going to be simplifying all the titles of the videos. From now on, it's going to be more of what the actual episode is rather than UK trucking live blah blah blah. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally happening. Shh. We don't want to do that. It's too early. Oh, it's cold outside. Oh my god. I didn't think this day was gonna happen. I thought I'm gonna miss the V8 days. I never will get a chance driving a V8, but there we go. I'm gonna have so much fun today, Jesus. Only downside, it doesn't have an open pipe, but you know, on the outside you won't hear it, but on the inside you can hear you in the V8. Shh. Oh, and the fridge just ruined the moment. That's one of ours. I swear down, as a car guy, this is just what you want as a trucker, you know what I mean? As a car guy slash trucker. I really apologise for the camera angle, but it is an exciting day and I want you to witness it all. Well, I know the V8s can get quite a lot of hate from non-V8 drivers. Or even sometimes from V8 drivers. I mean, I've seen a TikTok yesterday regarding nice lorries, but you know, basically the driver just couldn't be arsed chasing, you know, the work for the lorry itself, and he just decided to give up. I went on to something basic, but his life is apparently a lot better. You know, he's having chilled days, not you know, rushing around, you know, chasing everything and stuff like that, which I can understand from a point of view, because I've been to that kind of firms, you know. My first 3 jobs were that. But there was no V8 as a reward, so yeah. As I say, this is the first time I'm driving the V8. Just to prove there's a V8 badge behind me. You can just see in the window. You might see the reflection of it. But we're surely going to take some shots today. And also one thing I've noticed straight away, the power isn't that much difference. It doesn't pull faster, but has more torque to pull with. Like, example. Slow down. And look at what kind of range I'm pulling this. I'm fully loaded. Look at RPM range. And we dropped 3 miles, where in a 500, you know, you have to drop 2 gears to get up here, you know, at a similar kind of speed. Oh, this is nice. But it seems like there's something on the grill that's shining down, because like, look at the delay that one is coming on at. That is the laser bars. Wow, even the retarder's working different here. Brakes so hard. Wow. Where's the Jake brakes are? Right, I'm gonna say the only problem with this job is you don't get your own lorry. Well, I guess I wouldn't be anywhere near the list of a V8 lorry anyway, so. I swear, if we would have an open pipe, I would just use the 1000 RPM range. It's just what you need, ever so slightly ticking along, rather than, you know, having an open pipe and going it sounds better with an open pipe on low RPMs rather than high. That's just my humble opinion. I just wanted to see what if it does sound any better at higher range, but it's 1500. That's all you need to change it at. I mean, obviously uphill, you know, you want to change it a bit higher to, you know, make it uphill, but it's not really necessary with an open pipe. It won't sound any better. Oh, it's got overdrive. Nice. Right. Let's wait for the day to brighten up a little bit, and we're going to take some shots, we're going to record, we're going to do everything. This has a proper retarder. I can hear the whining. Well, not now. Oh, it's got hill descent. Man, I don't know when I last saw it in a Scania hill descent. That must have been in the old gens. Alright, as I say, let's wait for the day to brighten up.
Hey, what you need, yeah? Man, I got it, wow. What you say, hey? We about it, get the cream, yeah. Why you slacking? Why you talking all the top, boy, you capping? What you need, hey? Yeah, I got it, with the team, yeah. We about it, wow. Get the cream, yeah. Why you slacking? Why you talking all the top, boy, you capping? Yeah, why you capping, no? Feel like a rubber band, I've been snapping, no. Yeah, I've been up here with my team, so you know this what I mean. We been going up like that.
Right, let's see if I'm actually that good of reverser. The problem is, there's too much space, and when there's too much space, that's where I start struggling. I like it tight, yeah. Oh, I'm already going wrong, but I can recover from that. That should be a good view for you. Told you I'll recover. We can't see a lot, but there you go, you can see a bit more now. So I'm sitting here on a bay getting tipped. There's something we need to recreate driving this truck. You will love this one. Oh! So yeah, SeanProd.TV in a V8. I've been told I'm going to enjoy today, and they were right. We're tipped, now we're on our way to Carlisle. So, lovely stuff, innit? I swear down, if they stick me in a non-V8 again, I'm leaving. Look at that. Is that F16? Was that F16 or was that lower than F16? That could be F13, innit? No, F16, well, no, sorry. Sorry, I'm bad with Volvos. Well, no, I don't know the Volvos, sorry. So yeah, our way to Carlisle. We're going to be stopping somewhere on the way to grab some food. After we grab food, we're going to carry on, and then we're going to deliver. And then from Carlisle, we're bombing it all the way, well, bombing it. We're doing 54 miles an hour. That's the slowest V8 ever. And then we're bombing it back down to pick up a load straight to yard. According to this, it's 2 pallets. Which, 2 pallets? Yes, 2 pallets. Which is good. It means I don't have to do as much work. You know, unloading it at the yard. So yeah. Usual circumstances on M6 roadwork. Right, so we're setting cruising altitude and cruising speed 72 knots per hour. Is it per hour or per second? I forgot what. 72 knots, there we go. No, that should be the right way of saying it. Now that's better. I've changed the screen here. Now you know what I'm driving. Subscribe for more. She ain't no open pipe, but I'm still liking it. I still like the, you know, the way it mumbles. It's very light, but it's nice. I can just imagine what it'd sound like with a massive open pipe. Yeah. Subscribe, maybe we're gonna buy one day. Oh, bloody wish. I do actually wish. I'm not joking, I might be one of the many, well, I might be one of not many people saying this, but actually, if I won lottery, yeah, I wouldn't just, you know, enjoy life. I'd just, it's funny to say this, but I would actually work. I would work, and again, I would work. I would invest that money into lorries, into a possibly house, but nothing like, you know, not a mansion, like a regular house type of thing. And also that's 3/4 of it into, you know, basically lorry business, running around Europe, running around everywhere, you know, with a fridge, etc. That'd be my ideal plan, you know, buying two lorries at the beginning, seeing how it's going to go, obviously find work, and then possibly, you know, expand. But I would actually, you know, do something different than many haulers do in this country. I would do, you know, details, ever so little details different I'm not going to go into too much detail what I would do different, because obviously, you know, it's my idea, and I wanna keep it my idea. You know, maybe, who knows, maybe one day it's going to happen. Not very likely, but we live with dreams, don't we? We live by dreams. Or I didn't cross the line. I'll let him in, and Scanias do that quite a lot. Yeah, many of us live with, you know, have a dream, you know. Many of us have a dream, so let me, you know, have my dreams to work. I'm not joking. Whoever starts talking to me about winning lottery, and I say that, they're like, you mad? You dumb? Don't you want to enjoy life? You know, you just won lottery, blah blah blah. I says, mate, that's there only for a short amount of time. You know, that money, and you can do good things. Oh, look at that, Ali G. You can do many. You know, you can invest it. I would totally invest 3/4 of it and leave 1/4 for a nice house for me and my kids and my lass, you know, and actually work for the rest of it. House is the only expense that I wouldn't invest, you know, like, well, housing is investing, to be honest, but nevertheless, I'm not going to bore you too much. Let's crack on. To make it perfectly clear, I have not left Mulgrew for a V8 yet. It's basically a thing that is supposed to happen, but isn't supposed to happen. It's a bit of both, basically. Thumbs up to all office guys. Well, thumbs up to one specific office guy that actually gave me the V8 for today. Yeah, it's a bummer. We don't have it every day. Well, we don't have it assigned. But yeah, I mean, it's a best of both worlds, really, because driving everything, literally, from rigids to you know, class 1s to vans, it's all right for some people, but I know some will struggle big time. So I wonder how they get on, because I know some people will be like, oh, I drove a class 2 yesterday, I'm on class 1, and you know, I made a bump, blah blah blah, and you know, I can understand it happening for some people, but I just wonder how to get along with that, because obviously it's not something, if I were operator, I wouldn't hear, you know what I mean. But then from a different point of view, I would assign the trucks to each driver, you know, yeah, basically that'd be it. Unfortunately they can't, because the nature of the work, any way they try, it's just going to fail. Either the job's not going to be done or something else along the lines. So I don't fully blame them, but you know, there possibly is a way around. Unfortunately, I didn't record too much. Obviously, in one day, working and trying to record something, it is quite a big load of work when you clam it all together. But it's, you know, I'm trying to make the most of it. But mate, it's just so nice. Like, you just smile every you accelerate. That's how nice it is. Here we go, a tight area. I don't usually record that kind of stuff, but I'm gonna give it a try this time. Every time you go through here, you think you're gonna hit that, the one on the left. Well, this one. That's the one I'm on about. You think you're gonna hit that traffic light with the front of the trailer, but you actually don't. But then it's getting tight up here as well. You'll see in a minute. Well, I tried to show it you. I bet you any money I'm gonna take that light out. Just because I'm trying to record it. Skimming that curb, and obviously we got traffic from this side as well, so it doesn't help. So at this point we're ticking over 26 minutes of footage. If you'd like to see more, press the subscribe button and the like button and let me know in the comments. I've got a few more days recorded with the V8. Let me know if you want to see some more. Thanks very much for watching. This was SeanProd.TV. I should see you later.